Good morning, everybody. How you doing? So we're back at this deck project we're doing, and we've been here 2 days since I did the last video. I didn't do videos because I had like a sinus thing going on, weather change, so I sounded crappy. So since the last time we had a video, we've got some of our joists up, some more of our beams, and got some of our bolts in. Locking the beams to the posts, and I got everything graded pretty well, and we're just continuing on. So you can see the start of our curve, and what we're going to be doing today is finish putting the bolts in. I'm going to do that first thing, and Brian's going to keep on with the frame and stuff, and then we're using the chemically treated plywood because it's more flexible, and we're gonna make our curve because we just need to make that more round, and so that we have a connection for our fascia. So we're just gonna rip down the treated plywood and create a more smooth curve on these end joists here. And let's see, what else are we gonna do? Maybe we'll get the blocking, I don't know, we'll see. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. I already drilled all the rest of the holes now, and I put the bolts in, and now I'm putting the washers in, and then I'll do the nuts and tighten everything up. Changing out some of these because the boss wants me to use the shorter ones, even though it's not easier. He is right though, of course. Here's a 6 and the 8. I was just expecting them to be too tight and not have enough to thread on, but most of them did, so like usual, I'm wrong. Alrighty, so we got all of our joists in, and we got all our hangers on. Got all our bolts in, so a lot of these angles aren't, traditional, wouldn't be good for traditional hangers, so we had to use a variation of different plates and bend the plates to make our angles. Here, I'll show you. Where are we at? So over here, this is, you can get plates in like a 45 and a couple other angles, but this is just like a real shallow angle because this is going to be that curve. So we had to just, we just used normal flat plates and just kind of bent them a little bit to fit our needs, and that'll be fine. And let's see what else. Also, this ledge looks like it's, really tall, and it is, and so there's going to be a step. This will be a step that we're going to frame. It'll have its own framing for that, and the same up there, there'll be a one step down. And yeah, so that's where we got to today. A lot of progress. This one's going pretty quick, knock on wood. If you guys like the videos that we're putting out, like and subscribe, and appreciate you checking us out. Thanks for watching.